guys, Victoria Lovelace here. Welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I am good as always. And before I start with this video, I want, as usual, give you a little reminder to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you don't miss any of my new videos, because you don't want to miss them for sure, because a lot of new videos is coming too. So yes, do that. And in this video I have surprisingly a little box here from Ginger Red Coffin. And you guys already know this is a monthly gothic subscription box from Ginger Red Coffin, and they have amazing stuff in the boxes. I did some videos, they have unboxed some of the monthly subscription box. So this is the May subscription box. It's a little bit late because of the coronavirus, so there's been a little bit delay. So here it is, the May box from Ginger Red Coffin, and I'm gonna open it and see what is in this box. So I am so excited to see what is in. So let's open it. So this is how it looks like, and everything looks so nice, as you can see here. Thank you for your support. This is a little bit, thank you for your support. So this is the one, and this is Ginger Red Coffin. And what is hiding here? I'm so excited to open and see what we have here. So nice. I barely want to open it. So let's see here. Here we have a little postcard. It looks like this. And this is Conjure collection from this, and they have a $53 value. And here it says everything what is in here, but I'm not gonna read it because I wanna be excited. It's gonna be a surprise to see what everything. So I'm gonna put this away. I'm trying to not to read it. And here we have this is interesting. To say Hunter is a little bit a short story by Marie McWilliams. So, interesting. Oh, it's a kind of like a little like booklet. Let's say from the back it had the hunters become the hunter. Interesting. I'm probably gonna read this. So it's a little bit, I guess it's a little like novel, Hunted. I don't know what it's about, but it's probably gonna be very interesting to read. So I'm gonna read this one later. So let's see what we have here more. This one, oh, it's a little cute patch. Very cute patch like this. Yeah. Ooh, look at this. This looks like nail art decoration. I think it is. Or if it's, maybe it's temporary tattoos. Let's open and see what it is. It's on the napkin to release. Yeah, this is nail art. Oh, that's nice. I'm probably gonna bring next time I have my nails done, because look. This is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see. Very those symbols there. Very nice, very cute. Let's see what we have here. Ooh, look at this. Oh, it's a car sticker. I don't know. It's very hard to see here, but it's a pentagram. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that's what it is. And as you can see here, you put it, look like this, you put it on the car. That's cool. I'm gonna put it, maybe we put it on our car. That's cool, nice. I guess you can put this somewhere else too. I don't guess, yeah, if you don't have a car, I guess you can actually attach it to something else too. Let me see what we have here. Oh, Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. Mystifying, mattifying, high definition microfinish press powder. It's a powder, and you guys already know I love Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. They are awesome products, awesome makeup, awesome packaging, love it. So I'm very excited about this, and I'm also very excited to try it out. So I'm gonna open it and show it. So I'm always so excited about the packaging when it comes to Lunatic Cosmetic Labs. Wow, this looks very promising. Look at this one. Wow, and you have a little mirror there, as you can see. Wow. So let's open this. Oh, look how it's open. Cool. Oh, this is so cool. Look at this. This is the powder. Wow. I just love this packaging. It's so gorgeous. Look at this. Wow. I can't wait to try this on later. Yeah. Let's see what we have here. I see something here. Oh, it's some cute pins. Look at those. It's the pentagram, Baphomet. Wow. This is very nice. You can put it on like a bag or something. It looks like this. Wow. Let me see what we have here. Let's open this little black bag. And let's see. And let's see what we have here. The Aura Vibes. Black tourmaline is protective stones which repels and blocks negative energies and psychic attacks. Ooh, look at this one. It's called Black Tourmaline Stone. Nice. Nice. I'm gonna keep this one in the little bag. There. And let's see what we have here. I think I can see one more thing hiding in this box. And we have something here. This might looks like a soap, I think. Thank you for your business merchant gift. This clean glycerin audio bore soap contains aloe vera, leaving your skin feeling luxury, soft and silky after each use. Ooh, it makes a spooky fun addition to any bathroom, perfectly parent gift of favor. The oil board inside lemon, yours to keep after use. So this is a soap, and let me see. I can open it. I want to see how it looks like. Oh, this is so nice. Look at this little. Look at the soap. Wow. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's an Ouija board. There. Wow. This is so nice. I love those more like handmade soaps. I love those. I don't know how it smells like. I'm gonna be interested to try this. So I guess this was everything from this month, Ginger Red Coffin. And this is a very nice coffin. And you guys, if you are interested in getting your own coffin, you should definitely go to my description. I have put the link there if you guys want to order your own Ginger Red Coffin, because they are awesome, right? I have unboxing a lot of them right now, and they are really nice. They are really nice, and I can really recommend them. So yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did so, you should definitely give it a thumbs up. And see you guys in the next video. Bye!